Hello everyone, it's Sweet Cookie here again. So I hate to have to tell you this, but hulkbr is back on YouTube. Here is the proof. So if you search hulkbr, it's already right here. You wait for it to search. See, he is back on YouTube. I literally thought that this guy would stay off of YouTube, but no. He is back on YouTube, and I thought that hulkbr wouldn't be on YouTube no more, but looks like he is back. I don't know why he like saved the videos he has and made a new channel. Alright, the thumbnails are just too inappropriate. But you see, hulkbr is just back on YouTube. And it sucks that he's on YouTube again. And basically the people that I subscribed to Rick Astley because I like his song, Never Gonna Give You Up. I thought hulkbr wouldn't be back on YouTube, but looks like he is, and it sucks. And hopefully we would report hulkbr to get him banned again. Bye bye.